Hello guys, welcome to Tech Job Career.
Today update is from the S&P Global. S&P Global is hiring for the software engineer. Location is Noida, India. Category is Information Technology IT. This is a job ID. Please note it. It will help you to get the referral if you know someone. Grade level is 9. In this video, we are going to discuss the important things like what are the qualifications and skills required for this job and what is the salary range. But before starting the video, I will request you to update your resume according to the job description. Please mention all the skills that are required in the job and you know. As an engineer to software development, you will develop, design, automate, and maintain high-quality cloud-based application to help S&P Global Market Intelligence business grow. You will be working with a team of experienced application or web developer in multi-global location, business analyst, and business stakeholders. What are the responsibilities you will get after joining the company? Participate in agile product development through SDLC phases. Be an active player in system architecture, design discussion, have a passion for technology and offer new ideas and approaches, recommended product, process and tooling improvement. Analysis business requirement, design, implement and test features, understand non-functional requirement like performance, scalability, etc. aspect of the application. Build high quality reusable automation code libraries for future use in a timely and efficient manner. Work closely with a QA, development and business teams and highlight issues and risks proactively. Embrace quality standards including code convention and code reviews, unit testing, static analysis and revision control. Coordinate with dev and QA staff for product functional and system testing. Maintain and support all area of the applications. Work in an individual capacity as well as team across geographics. Work under the general supervision of technology manager and direction for other leads within the organization where required. Experience and education is 4+ year of experience using Java related technologies, preferably in a financial domain. A strong experience in C++ in a production environment. Experience with Spring Boot, relational database, NoSQL database, strong database fundamentals, query optimization, troubleshooting, etc. Experience with AWS cloud-based infrastructures. Experience with automation technologies such as Maven, CI/CD pipeline, GitLab, GitHub. Strong fundamentals in data structure, relational database, and design patterns. Experience building or working with APIs and services using REST, JSON, etc. Other helpful experience and skills: good have knowledge of front-end technologies like React.js, AngularJS. Good to have knowledge of EDM tools. Experience with Python is a plus. Must work effectively with a diverse team spread across globe. Strong analytical, investigative, and problem-solving skills. Proactive, organized, able to work independently with minimal supervision. Self-motivated, enthusiastic, open-minded, flexible, and willing to adapt and to changing situation. Delivery focused. Must be an excellent communicator, both written and verbal. This is a detail about the job. Salary range is 10 to 15 LPA. Apply link is given in the description. If you are facing any problem in applying, please comment. I will help you on that. Thank you.